We out here, player. Yeah. Look at us. We out here live.
Man.
You see it, man.
Man, OKC. I told you I come to the city every now and then.
And he did. He's
Man.
stepping. That boy's stepping.
I came through.
Across the state lines. He don't care.
It looks good in here, though, man. It's a cool little vibe up in here. This is my Snapchat.
Yeah.
I got the filter on you, man. Wait till you see this
Alright.
filter.
I ain't tripping.
So in this video, man, I'm finna go to OKC. I'm here in Fort Worth gassing up. I am in Mrs. Tropicana. We had to get 41.76 in gas. I'm about to go out here and pick up a wire harness for the Monte Carlo from my guy Steve Ellis. He does a lot of 41.87 is the total, but he does a lot of restorations on G bodies and everything. So I'm gonna go out there. I definitely need some advice and tips on aligning the fenders and everything. At this point in time, I wish I wouldn't have took those fenders off. But I'm finna jump in Mr. Tropicana. I think OKC is about 3 hours from here. And yeah, man, I'm hoping that y'all gonna like this content. I really haven't been wasting a lot of time recording. Because I feel like if it's not exciting, if it's not interesting, it's a waste of time recording it. So I know people be looking like you're inconsistent, but it is what it is. But man, we in here. This Tropicana has 336 miles to empty. Finna go ahead and get it done. I packed real light, as y'all can see. You know, it's funny, like so many people need so much stuff when they getting ready to go out of town, but me, I'm just like, as long as I got some trees to smoke, some gas, good tires, and maybe a t-shirt and some drawers, man. If push come to shove and I have to spend the night, I'll go buy those things, whatever it is that I may need in Oklahoma City. I stayed there for approximately 3 months. There's a lot of cool people out there.
And putting the money back into the schools.
I didn't really get a chance to do as much as I wanted to do while I was out there because it was during COVID. But I'm done talking. Finna go put y'all on time lapse. Finna hit this highway a little bit. And I'm probably gonna record a little bit when I get closer to the state line. And yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. Man.
Good to see you, man. My boy Blaze out here. You see him out in Oklahoma City.
Man.
We living, chilling, living, man.
Man, show us your station and everything,
Oh,
man.
you want to see it, man? We're right here. Look, you got to shout them out. Right here at the hair bar.
Right.
You know, that's what
Hold on, man.
You see
Gotta
it?
keep it clean.
Yeah,
sanitized.
That's it. Cause what they saying, paid in full. Cleanliness next to godliness, ain't it?
Yeah, for sure.
Gotta be clean, man. But
Yeah.
This is the station. This is where I'm at now. Straight from Top Flight to the hair bar. Where we at? We got products, my tools, my blades, alcohol.
Man, you gotta do everything.
Got it all, man. And we got my boy here too. You know, the living legend. That's the man right there with the plan. That's him, man. Legend. Real ones know.
It's gonna be on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, you got it, man.
So his people, they might appreciate that.
Always, bro.
Keep representing Oklahoma City the right way.
Doing it for life, brother. For life. You
Yeah,
see
man.
it? Whoa.
Yeah.
For life, baby. For life.
Man, that boy always doing some positive stuff on either funny or it's positive.
That's it.
So that was all glad I was able to come.
Yeah.
And he chopped me up real quick.
Yeah,
Gave me a nice shave and everything. But had a real clean station. And I like the vibe. What's going on over here at the shop, man? It's he work with a lot of beautiful women. They coming and going constantly. I ain't never worked at a shop like this, but one time. I had a shop and they had the ladies in the back. But hey man, he a young man, he's single. And you supposed to be living it up and doing it, man. You know what I mean?
Have fun, man. We gotta have fun. Good vibes, beautiful women, beautiful people out here.
It's hard to compete with just a regular barbershop.
That's it. It's just a regular barbershop, man.
But I'm talking about it's hard for a regular barbershop with no women coming through, but they come to receive service.
You know?
So most of them ain't got time.
And you know where we get this from? Everybody welcome is like your home.
Yep.
It's like your home. You know, everybody feel welcome. We don't want y'all to feel weird or left out, or I don't want to go in there because there's a lot of guys, women in here too. So
Yes.
everybody.
Cause some women be feeling uncomfortable. Like, man, them guys, they like on some predatory type shit, like making them feel uncomfortable. And that's definitely, you know, or they don't trust their kids being at the shop.
Yo.
You know what I mean? So we could talk about that all day.
No.
But man, you got to get that mic, dog. I think this is gonna turn out pretty good.
Oh,
Now I'm telling you though, I'm talking
I'm
about
gonna have to get a
when you
mic.
creating your content,
Yeah.
you get that mic,
Yeah.
it's a game changer.
It is. More
You know
clear.
what I mean?
Way clear.
Yep. But man, I like how you got the TV right there and everything, though. It's pretty
Yeah.
cool.
It might
But
move, though. It might move, so watch out.
man, I see when you guys say you had the Pac-Man game, you won.
You can turn it on too if you like, Blaze.
Nah, man, I was just checking out the shop, man.
That's my boy Fetty Shop, Fetty Space right there. That's Jessica over here, and that man Jesse. All cold, everybody cold, man.
Man, it's nice.
We out here.
Man, if you on a little rough, they ain't gonna think you doing no work. Man, this truck had look good though when I seen it last time. The lines had look crisp on the two-tone. Ah, man. Man, see, is that yours over there? That T-top over there? We gotta see yours. Show me where yours at, man. Shout out your stuff, man. I'm in OKC. This is Scat or a Hellcat? This is Scat?
Hellcat, red R&B.
Mm-hmm. This is where I'm at right now. We're trying to get my fenders and everything on there. 86. Man. It's rough.
It's a little rough. The homie got a floor pan for me for 200, brand new.
Man, y'all be getting ice up this way though, but I know Tulsa get real cold. Y'all be getting snow and stuff. Yeah, man. You got the T-top joint. See, I don't think mine's that bad, but I gotta see what's up under there. Man, that boy, he hooked on that game, man.
Yeah.
Philly, the Eagles.
Yeah.
I think you just like them because you don't like the Cowboys, man. I really think that's what it is. By the way, I'm not a Cowboys fan, but I am by default. You know, I support the home team, but I ain't finna stop doing what I'm doing to watch the game, though. What year this is?
66. This will be after the K5.
Got some work right here, man.
This is all, everything new on here. Fender wells, these new, all this.
But I'm just saying, though, you finna paint, bed, line it,
Got wood for it.
wood flooring. What you gonna do on it? Some candy?
Yeah.
Man, he trying to convince me to do candy, folks. What y'all think? This thing clean.
Paint all this black in here.
Black gloss
Yeah,
or flat?
This gonna be black cherry on the outside of the truck.
You going with that company you showed me?
Yeah.
Man, I need you to show me though how to line them fenders back up, man.
Okay.
On my car.
Hers have it.
No, because these look pretty straight.
Yeah,
They straight?
Yeah, those are straight. These ain't never been off. This is all original.
Okay.
The only fender that's been off is that one over there. But they got shims in it. I want to say...
It's straight.
I want to say it's shims in the door.
So that's the gap I'm going for right here. I need that nice gap right there.
Yeah, that's the gap you want. No shims in that.
What year this one is? About 84, 85?
Yeah. I guess there ain't no shims in there.
I like those 87 Euros with the Euro front. The Ellis.
Yeah, luxury sport.
Mm-hmm.
So no, this. Let me see if the other one has it.
Man, that man got all kinds of shit around here. Man, it's like you got rid of that bubble you had over here the other day. That B body. It's like you got rid of it.
Which one?
That B body you had over here, that Caprice.
Oh.
That boy in here working. See everything I'ma need.
Two at the bottom down here. I guess maybe because it's kicked out, they kick it in out. We got two down there on that one.
We saying the very, very bottom two.
We got three over here on this one. We got two up here. And see, we got two up here. A thick one and a thin one.
The thick one and the thin one.
Yeah.
But is this based off of?
So what I would do is your doors on?
No,
Your
my doors is on.
Your doors on?
Mm-hmm. One of them a little raggedy though. I think I need to replace the hinge on it.
Hinge, because these hinges is being replaced on both sides.
Yes.
So if you replace the hinges, go ahead and try and line the fender up with the door. If the doors is already on and they ain't been taken off, line the fender up and get your gap where you want it, where it needs to be. And
make sure I got it where it can open and close properly with no
yeah,
rubs.
Yeah.
Man, that boy going in with that candy on this one. But you saying still put probably about two on each one of them? About two shims?
Yeah, just do two shims and
Two shim Steve.
yeah.
That's that boy new name.
Boom. Two chains. Yeah, do it like that and then see
Man, so you got the Camaro RS seats in here.
Yeah.
This one for your cousins or somebody, one of your friends?
Yeah.
It's like you do a lot more for friends and stuff. You haven't been at this location long, have you?
I only been here since the end of March.
Okay. Cause I say, well, I used to see when you first did Buddy's El Camino, that candy red one. I mean, the candy, was it candy purple? Delvin?
Yeah, Vaughn.
Yeah.
Bezo did that one. Bezo with wheels.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the first time he painted it.
Oh, the green one? I
Yeah.
did a couple of little things on it.
And then I just seen Lucky come to you a few times.
Yeah, Lucky, he went to my boy, did motor work. Did motor work done.
Yep.
Yeah. He's selling the Camaro he got.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was something on his. He took out all the other ones. All the other ones wound up not being the right one. And he came all the way out here, man. Mr. Tropicana, man. But these are the parts. He got them. Yep. And we came up here, checked it out. Me and this dude, we talk on Facebook all the time. First time we done linked up though. And he begin to it though. Man, you be busy, man. You got a lot of shit going on. Boy, you got work for days. What's this is? What is this, man? An Impala or Plymouth? 73 Delta. Because I'm looking at it and I'm like, it look like an Impala from the side. But then the tail lights.
That's the one I had at my old shop. I was doing the hot pink tail.
Yeah. You got that hot pink up under there. It's that K5, man. Let y'all see this side now. That blue. That boy done scuffed the jams back down. That's why I say, man, you gotta truly love doing this type of stuff. Don't nobody wanna do no custom work. But you going big wheels on here too? You gonna do sixes on here?
Big chunks of yardage on this possession for the Atlanta Falcons. Yeah, this is a nice drive by Atlanta, and as I said, here in the
So we are right here, filling up. I don't think it should be too much this time. I still have about 100 miles to empty, or close to it. But I'm gonna show you that wire harness that we came up with. So that's it. All my light bulbs and stuff. Everything that goes to the front. Yep, some stuff is all brittle and frail for sure. But it was a win, especially for the price that I bought it for. For the most part, I don't look like too many rigged up wires. But between the two harnesses, we're gonna come up with one. That's the goal. So 3703. That's it.